Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to tell you what is fable with example. Definition of fable. A fable is a short story usually with animals characters that talk and act like humans and it teaches a moral lesson. This is simple definition of fable. Aesop was a famous storyteller from ancient Greek around 564 to 620 BCE. He is best known for creating and telling fables, short stories with talking animals that teach life lessons. About Aesop in simple words, he was believed to be a slave who later became free because of his clever mind. He didn't write books, his stories were told by mouth and written down many years later by others. His fables are still read all over the world. One of the famous fable of his the Lion and the Mouse. One day a lion caught a tiny mouse. The mouse begged for mercy, promising to help one day. The lion laughed but let him go. Later, the lion was trapped in a hunter's net. The mouse heard his roar, ran over, and chewed the ropes until the lion was free. Moral of this story: even small friends can be a big help. In the simple words, fables are short, simple stories, teach us life lessons.